Hello, this is Michelini, and my student ID is CS01084689, and I will be presenting my industrial training experience at Maxis. So first up, company profile. What is Maxis? So Maxis Berhad is one of the Malaysia's leading integrated telco companies, and it is headquartered at KL. It provides mobile fiber broadband enterprise as well as a digital solution for consumers and also businesses. So its consumer brands include Maxis and Hotlink. So Maxis is moving towards a more digital and AI-enabled future using technologies and also devices such as automation, data analytics, and also Gen AI to enhance customer experience and also business operations. So this is my structure, and I am supervised by Zorina Rusli, who is the head of NPS as well as customer experience. So these are the people that I work with, collaborate with as well. This is just a brief explanation about my role as a intern at Maxis. So I've supported for the enhancement of AutoQM and also refined prompts for the AI model 2.5 Flash, which I'll be explaining more about later on, and also analyzed MaxBot conversation and come up with the statistical calculations and everything. I've also actively participated in meetings, knowledge sharing sessions, and also project updates. So let's talk about my key assignments. First step, AutoQM prompt refinement. So what is AutoQM first of all? AutoQM is AI-enabled system which automatically evaluates customer service calls, quality using its call transcriptions and also the predefined QA criteria which manual QAs has been using. So this is mainly to reduce the manual QA effort and also enable quality monitoring at scale. So what I've been doing is I've been refining engineering prompts, queries for AutoQM, which uses AI model called Gemini 2.5 Flash. So my job is to enhance the accuracy rate to 80% and above. So I've been using platforms like Google Cloud Platform and also BigQuery, where I have been using SQL language to actually come up with the prompts. I've been also doing regression testings for to make sure its reliability as well. Also collaborated with the applied analytics teams to improve evaluation and accuracy. So next up, QA attributes and system implementations. So what I've been doing is I've been reviewing QA quality assurance and also QM quality management attributes that are used to evaluate contact center interactions. And my job is to define how each attributes can be integrated into the system called AutoQM. So I've been developing like the flow logic for the Gemini 2.0 Flash that been used by the AutoQM to evaluate those call transcription consistently. Third, key assignments, which I would say MaxBot conversation and NPS analyst. So I've been analyzing MaxBot logs and also the rating trends to identify like the key drivers of low customer ratings. So I've identified like the recurring customer pain points and also the gaps in chatbot responses to review whether the bot journeys and the responses have met like the customer's requirement. So my job is to find out all that and also highlight the improvement opportunities as well as recommendations for clearer and more relevant and effective self-service support. Um, so my work experience at Maxis has been unique, I would say, as this is my first ever corporate experience. So working in a professional, collaborative CX and also applied analytic environment has been really interesting for me as I gain exposure to how AI, data, and automation are applied to improve CX quality. Next up, Go for Gold event. This is one of the main events in Maxis where we celebrate the excellences and also teamwork. So I participated in the event and also was part of the event's opening performance as well as you can see in the picture. So this event is mainly to celebrate employee achievement and also team contributions. So throughout my internship journey, I have faced few challenges, and these are the challenges, and also how I've overcome it. So managing multiple tasks and meeting deadlines has been one of my first challenges, but I overcame it by prioritizing my work and also tracking my deadlines to manage my tasks within the given deadlines. Um, Also, I had few confidence issue when I was new because as a newcomer, it is very I feel very hesitant at first, but I actively learned that it's important to ask questions when necessary and also contribute ideas in a meetings or discussions to be more involved, more engaged in team discussions over the time to have a progressive effort and also progress in my tasks. Um, I've also learned technical as well as professional skills, which are SQL, applying SQL in real world environment, prompt engineering for AI models, and also exposure to Genesis clouds, also making effective statistical analysis. So for professional skills, I would say communication skills have been very much enhanced while I was interning here, and also collaboration between different teams such as CX and applied analytics. And also I learned how to manage my time effectively by prioritizing my tasks without procrastinating, and also gain confidence in participating in discussions and meetings. So as you can see, these are the visual aids during my internship period. And yeah, we've come to an end. So I would say during my industrial training at Maxis, I gained practical exposure to a professional CX as well as applied AI environment. So this has helped me to understand how real corporate actually works, and I highly recommend industrial training as it provides valuable real-world exposure beyond classroom training. So this allows students to apply technical knowledge in a business setting. And this develops your professional skills and also gain a clearer understanding. And I'm glad that Max has helped me to gain such experience in such 3 months in my 3 months period here. So that's all from me. Thank you.